Hey all, Ankit Kishore this side for Stierfleet team and I'm welcome back to my channel. So again a summary video for this monthly expiry, and I was expecting this expiry to be volatile, and it actually was volatile in the last 1 hour, but before that it was a clear trending day. And yeah, before giving you any summary about the movement and how I managed the trade, let me give you the amount which I made today. So here in this account I made almost 15k. Okay, there are so many adjustments with, for the covered call that I did today, and at the same time I took a next month covered call of 20,000 C, which I just took now, and maybe I will change it tomorrow, looking at the market behavior also. So, but as of now I took this one, and these 100 position, 100 and 100, this one, okay, and at the same time this one, this is the adjustment that I did, and there was one more adjustment of 850 C. Wait a while, where this. Okay, this one. So they also I booked a loss of almost 3k, here 10k, and this 100, these hundreds, okay, they let me show you here. So यहाँ पे मैंने अभी इस पोजीशन को बिल्ड किया है, ओके, ये 100 पोजीशन जो मैंने अभी लिया था, ओके, कल उसको मैंने एग्जिट किया, इसलिए यहाँ पे इस तरीके शो कर रहा हूँ. नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट एडजस्टमेंट आई डिड फॉर द कवर्ड कॉल. ओके, सो इन कवर्ड कॉल यू नो आई टुक दिस वन, दिस पोजीशन 19400 C is what I took. Yeah, this one, okay, it gave me a loss of 5.4k, but for it adjustment what I did when market was trading here, when it went down then broke it, then I took 850p. Okay, I sold 850p, this one, where this, yeah, this one. So here I booked 3k loss, then I switched it to 800c, sorry, p, and this is here. So I booked 10k loss here. So altogether 13k loss has gone for the adjustment of this position, and this was actually, sorry, this position, and this was actually in a loss of 25k something, yeah, 30k के almost ये loss पे था, okay, but it came down to 5k, and in adjustment I gave almost 13k. So altogether 18k of loss is what I booked in covered call, but at the same time 4k profit is what I booked in covered call last day. Okay, so altogether 13k you can take is the loss which I booked in covered call, but that's fine because I took the covered call when market was somewhere here, sorry, not here, यहाँ पे कहीं पे था मार्केट 250 280 इसके आसपास था, तब मैंने ये 400 को सेल किया था, एंड देन मार्केट केप्ट ऑन गोइंग अप, और मेरे को होल्डिंग पे अच्छा प्रॉफिट है. ओके, आई एम सेटिंग इन अ वेरी गुड प्रॉफिट ऑन होल्डिंग, सो दिस लॉस इज नथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट. ओके, इट इज नॉट इवन what I gained in the portfolio, it is not even 5% of that. Okay, this 13k loss, so that is there. So इसके बारे में अपडेट आपको मंथली समरी में भी दे दूंगा, ओके, क्योंकि वहाँ पे मेरे को ऐसे ही बताना होगा कि व्हाट आई मेड इन इंट्राडे एंड व्हाट आई लॉस्ट इन दिस कवर्ड कॉल, एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू अप्रोच माय adjustment for the holdings, because the holding is going good and my target for this year is almost done. I was expecting 20k, but at the same time 20k for these period, okay, 20.5 is the max target for me for this year. Okay, and I will be planning my what is that, protection of my holdings on that basis only. So yeah, this is there. So I will give you a day update about that later on. So, but as of now, let me stick to intraday position. So in intraday, I will show you from here. So I've just took out what all are not intraday position. Okay, so you can see it here, and I already explained you there. So leaving that, I made almost 15k profit, okay, in this account, and in another account, okay, so I made 13k profit. So these are main accounts, so altogether 28k profit is what I made in main accounts. And here also the same thing happened, adjustment for the covered call, so I'm not going to explain that. So I'm just telling you what I made in intraday. So in intraday I made almost 9k profit here. This is not a big profit, but I was not actually managing very aggressively, that's the reason. But still booking 9k profit in intraday was a good deal for this small account. So that is it, that is all about this small account, and I have not done any extra or anything for which I have to give you a full explanation about this one. So now I'm going back to main accounts and will tell you how I manage trade there. So, okay, so now coming back to this thing. So here what happened, I started very risk off. Okay, then what happened, मैंने यहाँ पे जैसे ही रिस्क ऑफ किया उसके बाद फिर मैं कॉल को नजदीक लाता गया, बट दैट वाज नॉट एक्चुअली फेवरिंग द पोजीशन. So when initially I was up almost 6k 7k, and from there I started going down, and it went down to 13-14k negative also somewhere here, because put calls were not losing value and puts were gaining continuously, and a straddle also, it was actually not losing anything, it was losing then gaining, then losing then gaining, till around 12:30 straddle was trading with 80 points premium. And this actually can show you what a decay happened in intraday, and there was no any decay that happened till 12:30 is what I actually see. But after that I had to make a decision, either to play very aggressive or to play conservative, because by saying conservative I mean to say risk drop or defensive. Okay, so here somewhere around 1 I decided no, I won't be playing aggressive, although premiums were very juicy that time, and I thought I should play aggressive. And let's, this 13k loss is not that big. Okay, on this account size it is not, it is almost 0.25%. So I thought let's play aggressive and try to collect as much premium as possible. But there only I decided no, this is monthly expiry, any move can happen in the last 1 or 2 hours, and I was expecting some big move. Okay, and that's what happened. If you'll see here, a very big movement happened from here to here also. This is a quite representation of how, what kind of volatility today was. So यहाँ पे आप देखोगे बस इन 4 कैंडल्स में 47 पॉइंट का अप मूव हुआ, then 50-60 पॉइंट्स का डाउन मूव हुआ, then from here to here it was 110 points of down move, then from here to here it was a 110 points of up move almost. So that's how market moved in the last 1.5 hour. So it was a very wise decision of mine to play defensive, and I just went completely risk drop, and from there I was just looking at max break even closing. Okay, but what happened when market started going down, I kept on taking additional कॉल. ओके, मैंने एक कॉल को स्विच करके दूसरे को किया, मैंने इस तरीके से ट्रेड किया. सो आई स्टार्टेड फॉर एग्जांपल विद 19900. ओके, देन आई स्विच टू 850, देन 800, देन 750, देन 700. दिस आई केप्ट ऑन गेटिंग माई कॉस्ट डाउन, एंड पुट को मैंने 550 पे स्विच करके वहीं पे छोड़ दिया. ओके, मैं उसके बाद उसे हिला नहीं. एंड व्हेन दिस अप मूव स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग, तो मैंने वहाँ पे भी कुछ किया नहीं. इट्स जस्ट दैट मैंने 550 को 600 पे स्विच किया, 600 को 650 पे बहुत कम टाइम के लिए मैंने स्विच किया. मैं आपको वो भी दिखा देता हूँ कब मैंने स्विच किया है. You can see here from 600 to 650 I switched for just 20 paisa, so that does not make any difference. Okay, so from 550 I switched to 650, sorry 600 somewhere here, then I just went silent, or I was because happy with the closing. Okay, the way I planned my trade, the way I was seeing my closing, so it is far more better than what it was actually visible to me, and that's what I gave update on Telegram also, that I'm looking for a break even closing at max, but I closed with 0.28% profit. So that's the summary about the main accounts. I mean, this and this Alice Blue, and this a small account I already told you, and it was more or less replica of how I traded in this main account also. So that's the thing. So yeah, that's the update I wanted to give you about today's trading. So yeah, I hope you also had a good day, and I hope everything that I say you are learning something from them. And if you do, then please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.